Today was a seasonable day across East Tennessee. Our high was average at 84 degrees. Tomorrow, though, it's going to be a little bit warmer, start to feel more summer-like. Not just because of the rising temperatures, but because of the increasing humidity. You can already feel it today. It's a little bit stuffier outside, and it's going to be muggy as we go throughout the day on Monday. Still, though, we should be mostly dry and have partly to mostly sunny skies. Into the day Tuesday, a few more clouds, and a stray spotty shower or two is not out of the question, but for the most part, our Tuesday should be dry. We have about a 20% chance of rain in the forecast for that day. Then into Wednesday, things get a lot more interesting. We have two players that are going to be coming onto the field here. We have a frontal boundary dropping in from the northwest, and we have Tropical Storm Nicholas making its way in from the southwest. Those two systems will kind of come together on Wednesday in our general direction. So what that means is the front will be fizzling out and the moisture from Nicholas may be drawn up along that frontal boundary. But how much of that moisture will be moved in our direction? We're going to kind of have to wait and see what Nicholas decides to do. So let's check in with the tropics here. Nicholas is currently down in the southwest Gulf of Mexico and will make landfall tomorrow afternoon along the coast of Texas. From there, it's going to slow down because there's nothing to pull it in our direction. However, the moisture from the system will be pulled in our direction, stretching out ahead of the low. So what that means is that the greatest threat from Nicholas for the Gulf Coast is going to be the potential for heavy rain. Since the system's not going to move all that much, we could see 7 to 12 inches along the coast of Texas and Louisiana, up to 15-inch totals possible. But notice how that moisture kind of cuts off a little bit once it gets through the state of Alabama. As of right now, through the next 7 days, we're only forecast to have about a half an inch or less of rainfall. But again, if more of that moisture comes up in our direction than is currently forecast, we'll see those totals changing. What I'm trying to tell you is there's some uncertainty from about Wednesday through the end of the next upcoming week because of those two systems, and we're going to have to wait and see how they interact. Tonight, some patchy fog, mild temperatures, lows in the mid-60s, so a little bit above average, and then filtered sunshine for the day on Monday with highs back in the mid to upper 80s. They'll feel like 90 degrees, though, because of the muggy humidity. Then through the day Tuesday, just a couple spotty showers here and there. Into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Check back for updates to this time frame. We may have to adjust the temperatures or the rain chances depending on how that front and Nicholas interact. From there, more summer-like warmth for Sunday into next week.